Ever wonder why some people snore? No, Mom, I'm not talking about you. Sorry. Look, normally when we breathe, air goes from our nose or mouth to our throat, then through the windpipe to our chest. Now, when we're awake, every muscle in our body is working well. Nothing's relaxed, but when we sleep, our muscles relax, including those in the throat. Because of this, where air passes through gets a bit narrower. So when air comes in, it creates pressure due to less space, causing these relaxed muscles to vibrate, making a rumbling sound, like a generator starting up, Mom.